Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I will share IBA screening test paper Preposition that came in intermediate category on 12th June 2023. Number 26, 1. Qasim wakes up suddenly at the night. We always use at the night. Question number 27. He has done a great service for me. When someone benefits you, you have to use for me. And when you are using personal opinion, you have to use to me. Question number 28. You have enrolled in more than one class. We always use enrolled in for enrolling in class. Number 29. Number 4. Preposition. Khalid forget to wish me on my birthday. Here we use on with my birthday. I have already uploaded general knowledge solved portion for IBA screening test paper intermediate category held on 12 June 2023. You may watch. Number 30. Despite serious injuries, he managed to play well in the last match. For complete videos and test preparation, subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and also follow us on TikTok and Facebook. Thank you.